Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025, you've come to the right place. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Whether you're moving Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another cryptocurrency, I'll cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need an active account on both Coinbase and Revolut, with some crypto already in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that your Revolut account supports the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Revolut has expanded its options in 2025, but always verify. Oh, and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. It's a game changer for protecting your assets. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and head to the Assets, or Portfolio, section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin, and click on Send, or Withdraw. Step 2. You'll need the Revolut wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and copy the wallet address for the same cryptocurrency. Make sure to match the network. For example, use Ethereum's network for ETH transfers, as Revolut might not support all chains in 2025. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Revolut wallet address into the TO field, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for any fees. Coinbase might charge a network fee, and Revolut could have its own limits. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to confirm the crypto has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Give it time and double-check the address you used. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer to avoid any mishaps. And there you have it. Your crypto is now in Revolut. This process is straightforward, but if you run into issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.